On Wednesday, the Democratic Republic of the Congo's president, Felix Tshisekedi, demanded the swift withdrawal of a significant UN peacekeeping mission that has been operating in the country for almost 25 years. Speaking at the United Nations General Assembly, he said it's time for his country to take full control of its destiny and be the main actor in its stability. Felix Tshisekedi's pronouncement comes just weeks after the seven-nation East African Community extended the mandate of a regional force deployed to quell violence in eastern DRC. The final departure of the UN peacekeeping mission has been at the center of debates on the DRC's future for years and a source of tension and populist rhetoric in the nation. Tshisekedi claimed that despite the efforts of about 15,000 peacekeepers, the mission has not succeeded in confronting the rebellions and armed conflicts, nor in protecting the civilian populations. The Security Council approved a plan for a gradual withdrawal of UN personnel from the Democratic Republic of the Congo in 2020, establishing guidelines for handing over responsibility to Congolese forces. The plan was to begin withdrawal of the peacekeeping force in December 2024, but in September, the DRC asked the Security Council to start the process in December 2023. This falls during the time when Tshisekedi is running for re-election. Tshisekedi, the DRC's president, said at the UN General Assembly that it was illusory and counterproductive to continue to cling to the maintenance of the peacekeeping mission to restore peace in his country. The United States, on the other hand, warned at a Security Council meeting in June against a hasty withdrawal of the mission, assessing that the country was not prepared to part with the peacekeeping mission at the end of 2023. The discussions come as the United Nations has faced a series of attacks and demonstrations against its mission in the country. At least 56 people were killed and dozens wounded in a crackdown on an anti-UN protest in eastern city of Goma in the DRC in August, so the president of the DRC believes that the swift withdrawal of the mission is necessary to ease tensions in the country. Another protest in July 2022 resulted in more than 15 deaths, including 3 peacekeepers in Goma and the city of Butembo. The east of the DRC has been plagued by militia violence for 30 years as a result of local conflicts that erupted in the 1990s and 2000s. With an annual budget of about $1 billion, the UN peacekeeping mission in the region, which has been operational since 1999, is one of the biggest and most expensive in the world. The UN peacekeeping mission has been criticized for failing to stop the conflict in the DRC. People anticipate that the UN will protect them if their government is unable to do so, but most Africans believe that the UN is useless because it has consistently failed to stop attacks or adequately respond to them. We have seen their indifference during the crisis in Rwanda and other places too. What do you think of the DRC's decision? Do you think that the UN peacekeeping mission should remain in the DRC? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure you like this video, share it with friends and family, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our exciting videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.